There's Wyatt. He's next in line. Hey, Wyatt. Aww. It's a big day. I'm getting ready to go to Argentina, and the kiddo's getting their first haircut. Yeah, you love Haley May, huh? Say hi, Haley May. Haley, say hi.
Hi, I look lovely this morning.
You always look lovely.
I can't believe how well they're doing.
I know.
Yeah, you see him in the
You're
salon and
very obedient.
They are good babies.
They might be a little
So
different.
Grandma's here and Arlene's here. They get to
and we're the center of attention.
and we get.
That's what it
Oh
is.
my gosh! Look at how handsome you are.
Let me see the back.
I mean, you're so good. He's sitting, so he's putting his hair forward. Like, Heather, did you train him already? You probably.
Baby whisperer.
You probably did. You've secretly
Yes.
trained
I
him
told
already.
him,
Don't move.
I'm done.
Oh my gosh!
You look silly. Is that nice?
Oh my gosh, you're so handsome! Johnny! So yay!
Now get me out. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah!
Okay, do you want to trade?